If your HyperX Cloud 2 microphone shows up in Windows but isn't picking up any sound, you're experiencing one of the most common gaming headset issues. Understanding why this happens is the first step to fixing it. The primary culprits behind this issue are Windows privacy settings and audio input configurations. Recent Windows 11 updates, particularly versions 22H2 and 23H2, have significantly tightened privacy controls for microphone access. Here's the technical reason why this happens. The HyperX Cloud 2 uses a USB sound card that creates separate input and output devices in Windows. This dual device architecture is what enables the headset's 7.1 virtual surround sound feature. This dual device setup often confuses Windows audio management. The system may recognize both devices, but fail to properly route microphone input through the correct audio pathway, especially when privacy settings block access. To resolve these issues, you need to address both Windows privacy permissions and audio input configurations. The solution involves ensuring that both the operating system and your applications have the correct permissions, and that your audio settings properly recognize the HyperX input device. First, we need to check Windows privacy settings. Navigate to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and select Microphone. Enable three critical settings: Microphone Access, let apps access your microphone, and let desktop apps access your microphone. All three must be turned on for proper functionality. Next, configure your audio input settings. Right-click the sound icon in your system tray and select Open Sound Settings. Under Input Settings, select HyperX 7.1 Audio as your default device. This ensures Windows recognizes your headset's microphone properly. Adjust the input volume to around 70 to 80%. This provides optimal audio levels without distortion or background noise pickup. If problems persist, update your audio drivers through Device Manager or reinstall the HyperX Ingenuity software for optimal performance. These steps resolve most HyperX Cloud 2 microphone detection issues. The combination of proper permissions, correct device selection, and updated drivers ensures reliable microphone functionality.